Hi guys, welcome to Per Property Channel. I'm Pinky. Today I bring you to see one of most selling house, I would say, modern Nordic style and around 15 minutes from Pattaya. The developer already have 5 projects now because they are selling very good. Feature point is the house come with fully furnished and 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 75 talangwa, around almost 300 square meter of the land, 230 square meter of living space. Yeah, you get everything built-in furniture, movable furniture. You get like fully furnished house with nice design and only 6.99 million baht. Follow me to see all the details. Here we are in the house. Now I am in living area. The design, as I told you, is like modern Nordic design. So in the middle of the house, you will have very huge and big and high ceiling, almost 6 meters in your living rooms. You will have like nice space of living room together with European kitchen and dining area and a view of swimming pool. So I will just walk around to show you the design of the house. Maybe we start with the kitchen first in the living area. European kitchen with the island, hot hood, sink, and all the cabinets which already built included in the house with the top of granite, which is like marble design granite, gray color of cabinet, and this side have white color. The most of the house design, they use a light color of the wood to make it feel like comfortable and nice modern design. Move a bit from the kitchen area, you have dining table with 6 chairs. This one is big living room with very big sofa. You can fit 6-7 people, like big group. With the built-in TV, the curtain, wallpapers, everything comes with the house. And behind of the sofa, you have a small door. You can access to Thai kitchen outside. So if you love to cook Thai food, they also have an optional to have Thai kitchen outside. I mean, it's already have a small counter included or Thai kitchen outside, so you can use for cooking outside. So there are 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. It means 1 guest toilet with the shower, of course. This one just in case for your friend to use the toilet here. And every bedroom they have own bathroom. So I will start from here. Two sides of this corridor, you got the natural light inside because it's a glass door. One side you will see the garden, another side you will see the pool. The pool is not too big, it's around 3 meters by 10 meters long. It's already good for you can swim. This one is outside, which is you can use for laundry area. It's like empty space. Already have a connection of water and electric, so you can put your washing machine, dryer machine. This side is the first bedroom. This one is not master bedroom yet, but the size is pretty nice. You will get all built-in TV, wardrobe, table, bedside, bed, mattress. So it's king size bed. Nice decoration. You have a glass door here. You can access to the pool from this room, or you can just walk around. Of the pool area from the bedroom. Show you 2 more bedrooms. From the living room, you can also access to the pool area, and you have the corridor where you still can have some space for outdoor sofa set or barbecue area, which is nice option. And this is the main entrance where you get in from the house. At the front of the house, there are 2 parking space and 2 cars, and you still can park a few more motorbike. There are 2 more bedrooms here. I will show you this one first. Modern design with the light wood color, gray. The house comes with all wallpaper, built-in king size bed and furniture. This is quite good part that you don't have to do any design by yourself. You just shoot the house and you got everything. There are bathroom here with sink, toilet, and the shower room. The last one is master bedroom. The corridor, when you walk in master bedroom, you will see the swimming pool on the long side. Wardrobe, master bedroom, you get more space of wardrobe, left side, right side, and you have cosmetic table, nice mirror, a lot of space for your clothes, shoe, bag, luggage. I would say pretty good quality built-in ceramic floor, which is look like a wood design, but it's ceramic, but it's also easy to clean. And bathroom, okay, it's a bit bigger than other bathroom, but one sink, toilet, and shower room. I hope you like this house. This developer named Baan Mae, they already have 5 projects. Their concept is modern Nordic house with fully furnished, and the price 6.99 million baht. Very good price for whole house you get and all fully furnished. House size 230 square meter of living space, almost 300 square meter of the land, and you get the swimming pools and everything. So if you like this house, please thumb up for me. Please help us to like, to share, and subscribe for us. Every week we have nice property house or condo around Pattaya to show you. See you next episode. Bye!